In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix we couldn't match your location on Roblox. So in order to fix it, what you can do is you first need to head over to your browser and open roblox.com. Select in here any game that you wish to use. For example, let's choose in here this Grow a Garden. Click on that particular game and click on the play icon that should be able to appear right here. So doing this will actually prompt this to open the Roblox and then open the client for this part, and in that way you can actually open your Roblox or app client using your browser. Another option that you can do is to use the same Wi-Fi network or to try logging in on the new device using the same network. Next thing is to disable VPN or proxy that you have and restart your devices by clicking onto this icon right there and restarting this right here. So you can also check if quick login is enabled and for sure consider if your router settings is the best. So in some cases, a router or firewall might be blocking certain ports necessary for Roblox location services, so take note of that as well. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.